We're here with the BetaFPV Racing Edition and the Champion Edition. Boy Wonder, grab the Champion Edition and put it on the screen, quick. And put your hand underneath it, so it can be seen like I've got my hand underneath it. And the Champion Edition there. And we're going to fly them back to back and see just exactly how big of a difference it is. Let's freaking go. Okay, so we're going to reacquaint, we've got a little bit of vibrations in this.
Oh yeah, I see.
But we're going to reacquaintance ourselves with the Air75.
And I'm watching using
Champion Edition.
I'm watching using a mobile, like
a little mini screen, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Watching to, oh careful, that's the ground. I'm watching the screen on the drone and you all at the same time because they've got 3 eyes.
Oh, that was lovely.
Nice.
This is just ridiculous. This just does not feel like a tiny up, does it, Boy Wonder?
I have an idea. Instead of you have to like constantly look at your battery, when you say battery before, I can tell you what your battery is on. So
well, do you know what? Let me just concentrate on not crashing. That'd be...
Okay. That's the tree.
That's definitely a tree. And?
You didn't even know full throttle and you easily went off.
Yeah, it is ridiculous. I better change the frame though, because these vibrations are not good.
Yeah. They're crazy, yeah. Like crazy.
Like, it's just so good. It just doesn't feel like a tiny whoop. There is just no other word for it. It just does not feel like a tiny whoop.
Is it astonishing?
It is absolutely...
ATV?
I thought you said ITV. It is absolutely astonishing.
That's just circling. That's nearly a tear down. Careful.
Didn't quite get that as I wanted it, but never mind. I'll do. Yeah, absolutely astonishing this. Just does not feel like a tiny whoop at all. And now I'm a little bit nervous, so I flew the Racing Edition yesterday and really enjoyed it, but now I've flown this again, I'm a little bit nervous to fly that because this is just next level. So how is it going to feel back to back? Well, that's what we're going to find out.
Oh god, you're upside down.
Hang on. Yeah boy, right, I'm going to come back and land it because we've got big vibration. Here is the BetaFPV Racing Edition Air75 II. And we can sort of see that there is a power difference. It still absolutely rips, yeah, I'm just, because I'm used to the power of the other one now. Oh!
If you got in that tree, that means you'd just be stuck.
Yeah, I'm a bit used to the power of the other one, so it's just...
Oh my god!
Just getting the power of this one right. But, yeah, it's not too dissimilar at all, actually. Now I've got used to the power band and where it is, it's not too dissimilar whatsoever. We love a doink.
Come on. Nearly on the ground there.
Yeah. I think if you're a bit of a newbie, this is probably the one. I think the Champion Edition, like I say, it just doesn't feel like a tiny whoop. Whereas this still doesn't really. It feels like a bigger drone, I've got to be honest. But it still flies incredibly well, yeah. Right, what's that, Boy Wonder? You bet I can't land on the...
Bet you can't land on the pole.
Alright, okay. Do you know who I am, kid? First time. Let's freaking go.
Go for all the attempts, guys. That was real. That was the very, very first attempt.
I
feel like we should put out all to show you guys that's real.
I actually got a bit too excited there.
And then imagine if you accidentally just mid-air into a puddle. That would, that would charging you. Mate, you're on 3.3.
Yeah, well, make the battery cry, that's my motto.
3.35, 3.2. 3.3. But you went to 3.0 then.
Did I?
Yeah, when you went full throttle. When you did a power loop. Nice.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about, lad? So you do get more, a lot, this is the same battery, these both 480s. You do get a lot more give on this battery than with the Champion Edition. And you are getting about, I'd say, 80% of the performance, which obviously you can eke back by using a little bit more throttle.
Okay, if you can, cut this bit out. You didn't bring goggles for the other drone.
Yeah, no, I'm not using that other one.
Oh, you said you're flying the battery that caught fire?
Yeah, the battery, mate.
I thought you
That's what the goggles are powered with.
Oh. That's what you meant, you was driving. Yeah, we look good. I didn't even notice it. I didn't even look at it. Yeah, we look good. Did you order a replacement?
Yeah. I'm using a different cable.
Oh.
Right. 2.9 volts at 4 minutes
2.8
of ripping, time back to land. So BoyWonderFPV is flying the Air75 Racing Edition for the first time ever. BoyWonderFPV, what are we thinking?
I'm using it like it's for racing right now, as you can see.
It is, oh yeah, he is racing it.
That's only like 36% power.
It's really smooth, isn't it? I really like how smooth it is, I do. Now we've made something. So that was the head-to-head comparison then of the Racing and Champion Edition. My honest thoughts and opinion is the Champion Edition just does not feel like a tiny whoop. It flies so well, but with great power comes great responsibility, and it's easier to break and it's easier to damage. I've already damaged one of them. So with that in mind, I probably wouldn't recommend it to newbies. The Racing Edition offers a little bit more protection, a bit more of a robust frame, and of course, like we mentioned in the review, the motors are on plugs as opposed to, turn that over, on the Champion Edition, they're actually soldered in. So because of that, I think if you are newer, and you don't want something as crazy and you know you're definitely going to crash it, I'd consider the Racing or the Freestyle Edition. Now make sure you leave a comment in the comments box down below, because we've also ordered the Air75 Freestyle Edition and we're going to put all three of them head to head next week. So make sure you're here for this. Drop a comment down below and let me know which one you're going to pick up, if any of these, and if not, why not? What is it about these that don't interest you? I'm a guy that's got every drone going and I still keep coming back to these and flying these all the time. They are just so good. Make sure you like the video, share the video, hype the video. We still don't know what that does, but I want to keep that's it.
You can get on the leaderboard.
I still don't, yeah, I don't
know what you get though. You can get like,
I've no idea. Just do it, and we'll see what happens. But if you've got any questions whatsoever, please do drop them in the comments down below. You've all been absolutely, incredibly, stupendously amazing. Until next time, peace! YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.